Yeah, I really enjoy it.
Oh, I bet you happy that he got close on the one set.
Yeah, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I think he's quite level-headed. Yeah, but yeah, I think there isn't anything you can. I know there's, I think if we both play well, then I win. He understands that. But if I drop off a little bit and he plays really well, then he can definitely run a set here. And the left hand does slow off a little bit. It does.
I told him when he was down 5 love, obviously that was the 6 love set. I said, just hit his backhand.
But he does, with that lefty, they can get into the backhand.
Right.
It's not just getting into the backhand. I don't find easy rolling anyway, but I find it very difficult to roll it off of the lefty spin. I can slice it back all day and all night,
right.
But to actually to hit full-on roll off of that lefty curve as well, and I don't like that.
Plus he's got a nice kick on it sometimes.
He can.
But the ball was up here many times, which I don't mind.
Yeah, if I go to the net, I mean, if I played quite, if I met him, I could just destroy him at the net.